Hello, welcome to the channel Chemical Engineer. I am Sahil Yadav and today we are going to discuss about our topic thermodynamics. So this is the first video, so I will only be going to give you a brief what we are going to study and what is thermodynamics. So before going to that, I would request you to please subscribe to our channel Chemical Engineer. Also join us on our Telegram channel. Link is in the description. We have already uploaded video related to the GATE 21, 2021, 2020, GATE 2019. Then we also have uploaded a video of different subjects. So I request you to please join to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So before going to the main topic, let us understand what is thermodynamics. So from the name it suggests thermo means temperature and dynamics, that is related to change in something. Dynamics means change. So thermodynamics means the change in temperature. Study of change in temperature is known as thermodynamics. Okay, so the first man who thought about thermodynamics was Joule. His name was J.J. James Joule. So in 19th century, generally 1840, he introduced a new branch known as thermodynamics. Why? So answer is to understand more about steam engine and to understand about the change in heat that is due to the or change in work that is due to the heat energy. So in order to study heat, temperature and the old steam engine, he introduced a new branch known as thermodynamics. Okay, I hope I am clear and you are getting what I am speaking to you. So branches of thermodynamics. So there are two branches of thermo, that is classical thermodynamics and solution thermodynamics. Okay, so this is the important part where every chemical engineer should focus. So thermodynamics is never going to be asked in your interviews, but in GATE exam as well as in real life industries, this subject is very important. Alright, so mostly classical thermodynamics is very important to understand. Moreover, solution thermodynamics is also very important, but it has very specific applications. So in classical thermodynamics we will be going to study about the three laws of thermodynamics, as well as we are going to study about various working of engines, refrigeration and other cycles. Also we are going to find some equation of work, kinetic energy and other. So all these are included in classical thermodynamics. In solution thermodynamics we have something that is related to solution. We will have vapor liquid equilibrium relations. We here study fugacity. Then here we have excess property. Then also we have some yields. Then we also have some graphical relation, that is of solution thermodynamics. Antoine's equation, pressure relation related to solution. These all are included in solution thermodynamics. So I hope I am clear to you what are the branches of thermodynamics. Every chemical engineer should know about this. Okay, so I am going to start the classical thermodynamics from the next video, but in this video let me tell you some basics that should be clear in your mind before we start the videos. So first law of thermodynamics states that the energy is conserved. Second law is related to entropy. third law is also related to entropy, and it also introduced the temperature term. So this all three laws we are going to study in our next subsequent videos. So now I will be discussing about basic terms. All right. So what is the time for this video? Okay, so 5 minutes are already elapsed. I will take more 4 minutes, so be patient. All right, so first term is system. So such system is something that which we are going to study. Always in thermodynamic, system is something that we are going to study. So in generally we say it as a particular region of space or body of matter for study. So study of anything is known as system. Surrounding is everything outside a system. So if suppose we have a ball is our system, then everything outside the ball is our surrounding. Now system and surrounding interacts each other based on mass and energy. So we have two conditions. Suppose this is a system. If system is exchanging mass and energy both with its surrounding, then this system is known as open system. This should be clear. Okay, and if the system is only able to exchange energy, not a mass, then the system is known as closed system. In closed system we have two types, that is one with exchanging energy and one with adiabatic conditions. What are adiabatic conditions? That is no transfer of heat from one system to other or system to surrounding. So these are the two examples of closed type systems. So I hope I am clear. If not, ask me in comment or in Telegram channel. Next, what are macroscopic quantities? So macroscopic quantities are the quantities which do not require any assumptions and that can be calculated easily. In these quantities we will be using kinetic energy, potential energy, then energy as well as work, whatever we can see. Alright, so macroscopic quantities are quantities which can be calculated without doing any assumption. Alright, already 8 minutes have passed. I have only 2 minutes to complete the video. So macroscopic quantities are important for classical thermodynamics because in this we are going to study about the system, that is how working occur in different engines as well as cycles. So macroscopic quantities are the main aim for our study in classical thermodynamics. We have microscopic quantities. Microscopic quantities are the quantities which exist but which cannot be calculated directly, which cannot be measured using any equipment. So we have different equations like internal energy, heat, then enthalpy is also a microscopic quantity. Sometimes it is also macroscopic, but generally internal energy is the main aim for microscopic quantity studies. Okay. So next is the specific and molar volumes. Anything divided by mass is known as specific into quantity. Here we are dividing volume by a mass, then it is specific volume. Molar volume is nothing but volume divided by mole, that is meter cube per mole, then it is meter cube per kg. So this term should be clear. Alright, next we have intensive and extensive properties. Intensive properties are the properties that depend on nothing but independent of mass. I means independent. This is how we can memorize it. Extensive properties are the properties which depends on the mass of a system. You should be clearly defining it, that is dependent on mass of a system. So in intensive property we have pressure, temperature, density. Now you will ask why density is not an extensive, it is depending on mass. No brother, no. Density does not depend on mass. It is a volume that depend on mass. So mass divided by mass is give independent of mass quantity. Okay. Next, concentration, melting point, boiling point, surface tension, viscosity, other are all dependent or are independent of mass. Next we have dependent. So mass, volume, internal energy, heat capacity, enthalpy, Helmholtz energy, Gibbs energy, all are the extensive properties. Even specific volume is intensive property or extensive. Yes, it is extensive property. Why? Answer in comment. And molar volume is intensive or extensive? Answer in comment, please. So I am done with what we are going to discuss. Now let me tell you how are we going to complete this course of thermodynamics for GATE or for chemical engineering. So we will be studying the first law and other basic concept in 2 videos, then volumetric properties of pure fluid in 2 to 3 videos, heat effect, then second law of thermodynamics, that is the bigger topic, we will be giving 4 videos to 5 videos on it. Third law of thermodynamics is nothing but a simple topic, we will use 1 video for it. Then thermodynamic properties of fluid in 3 videos. Next we will do solution thermodynamics in 7 to 10 videos. In short, 25 videos are enough for doing thermodynamics for GATE. Alright, so thank you for watching the video, and I encourage you to please join our Telegram channel. That is, you can directly go by searching this chemical engineer 2120 or directly click on the link in description. I hope you will join and enjoy the free lectures on GATE chemical engineering. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Alright, thank you.